Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable TubeBuddy install and keyword check on YouTube, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable TubeBuddy and use its keyword check feature on YouTube, start by opening your web browser. Go to the TubeBuddy website. Click on the Install Free Now button on the home page. Select Add to Chrome or your preferred browser option. Confirm the installation by following the prompts in your browser. Once the extension is installed, sign in to your TubeBuddy account or create a new account. After signing in, navigate to your YouTube channel. You should see the TubeBuddy icon in the upper right corner of the YouTube interface. Click on the TubeBuddy icon to access the dashboard. To enable the keyword check feature, go to the Keywords tab. Type in the keyword or phrase you want to check. Click on the Check Keyword button. TubeBuddy will display the keyword's search volume, competition, and overall score. Review the information provided to determine if the keyword is effective for your content. You can use this data to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Once you've made your decisions, apply the keywords to your video settings. This will help improve your video's visibility on YouTube. Remember to regularly check keywords for new videos. Utilizing TubeBuddy can enhance your channel's growth and performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.